Hi everyone, let's make miniature leather tote bags. We need leather fabrics and I cut a long piece for the body, 2 pieces for the sides, and the pieces for the handles. I'm using a bead needle and a regular thread to sew the long piece around the side pieces. I don't know what kind of stitch I'm doing and I'm really sorry for that, but you really want to keep your stitches as even as you can. And don't pull the thread too hard or you will break your leather. This is an optional step, but I like to shape the tote this way and use clips to keep them that way while I work on the handles. Now, this is the hardest part for me because it's too narrow. I initially prepared a thicker and longer pieces for the handle, but I ended up using one handle piece and cut it in the middle. I also shortened it. After sewing, I cut the ends to the curve, and using super glue, I stick the ends of the handle to the bag. If you want, you can leave it this way or paint the stitches the same color as the leather. For this, I used acrylic paint. Let the paint dry completely and your tote bag is done. I hope this inspires you to try out this cute miniature project. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.